What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today, I got another freaking banger video for you guys, all right? Today, we're taking it to another level, okay? I don't know if you guys noticed in last week's video, but your boy put the BMX handlebars on Leticia. And the joint is nice, I'm not gonna lie. I like the way it looks. My only complaint is that they came chrome, all right? And the reason why they came chrome is because I had an option to get the black one or the chrome one. And the chrome one was cheaper. You know, I'm on a budget, so. Jesus. So yeah, the joint came chrome. I wanted black to match the bike, all right? So what I did was take it off. I'm currently rocking the mini moto mod, if you guys can tell, from like 2 videos ago. And yeah, we're gonna go over to my dad's house. He lives like 15 minutes away, so we're gonna go over there and we're gonna paint the handlebars black. A cool thing that I realized about this BMX conversion, right? All the freaking like foldable e-bikes, they all have the same like long giraffe stem. So they all can do the freaking BMX conversion. So like the, what is it? Like the Mate X, the Saunders Fold, the freaking Aventon Cinch, like those types of bikes, you guys can do this same mod. Woo, we are speeding. This video is not gonna be like a tutorial on how to do it because a couple of guys already made videos on YouTube. If you guys just search like LECTRIC XP BMX, they should pop up. These are the handlebars I ended up going with, guys, okay? I got these joints off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want these exact same ones. However, you guys can literally use whatever handlebars you want at this point. The reason why they look scuffed up now is because I use like a fine sandpaper to kind of mess them up, just so we can ensure that the paint sticks to the metal, okay? I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. Okay, we're just gonna have to find out. Your boy taped it off because I want to keep some of the parts of the handlebar chrome. But other than that, I think we're ready to go. What do you think, Jane? Are we ready to go? All right, let's get it, guys. Jane came in clutch with the freaking Dexter kill room. Guys, check her out. You guys can see Jane, but you can't. This is sick. I don't even have to censor her out. I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. Why?
Primer and paint on the front.
Am I?
Do you know what overspray is?
For real? Oh, shit. Here. Can't have that. Not on the Compton joint. Hey, let me know if I should just leave it with the primer. I'm kind of feeling the vibes. The matte gray? I don't know, guys. What are we saying? You like my technique?
It's me. People gonna roast you for it.
What you see? I think it looks good.
That's the first coat, yeah.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah, tell a scary story.
It was the night of Halloween, and all through the house.
Tell us about your favorite episode of Dexter.
All right, my favorite episode of Dexter was... Dude, I can't even remember that show. My least favorite episode of Dexter was the last one. What kind of finale was that? This dude was a lumberjack. How you gonna fake his death and then come back as a lumberjack, guys? And then he just looks at the camera and then it's over. Like, I invested 2 months of my life. Look at the commitment, guys. Tell me we not dedicated to the joint. Look at her. This is Jane, believe it or not, guys.
Yeah.
Take a look at these puppies. Hurry up, get over here, Jane. Look at these joints. Oh my gosh. These things are freaking beautiful, guys. Wow. This is everything that I envisioned, guys. I mean, look at her. Look at the lines. Crisp, sharp, clean. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put these on my bike. Like I said before, this isn't a tutorial because a lot of people actually did this already, but we gotta document the process, right? So I'll just check in with you guys after I put it on my bike, all right? And I'll show you guys the final look of the joint. Let's get into it. I mean, I don't even have to say anything at this point, guys. Just take a look at her. What do you guys think? Wow, we got a pearlescent purple popping right here. I don't know what the hell that is. But nah, let me know what you guys think. I think this upgrade took the bike to another level. Again, like how many levels are we gonna climb? We're gonna reach heaven at this point, guys. Look at her. We got the white, custom white grips, okay? We got the freaking custom handlebar paint job done by yours truly. And everything is like perfectly mounted. I didn't have to do anything electrical. You just swap everything from one handlebar to the other. And this is the finished product, man. Like, I don't know. I think I might be in love. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this one, hit that like button. If you're not a part of that channel, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on any other content I'm dropping, okay? I'm dropping a video here, there, over there. We got tons of projects going on now, guys. We got Jane, she's in a green suit. You guys can't even see her. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until the next one, deuces like that.
Gotta boss up quick, gotta show 'em what you about, gotta do your shit.